Tired of missing the next meme coin moonshot? Let's dive into Dex Screener and uncover those hidden gems before the crowd piles in. First, head over to Dex Screener. We are greeted by a tidal wave of tokens, so we'll need to filter out the no's. Focus on newly listed coins within the last 24 hours. This increases your chance of early discovery. Next, set your filters. High volume is key. This demonstrates that there is real activity and interest around the coin. Liquidity is your safety net. The higher the liquidity, the easier it is to buy and sell without massive slippage. Now, analyze the charts. Look for consistent upward trends, but be wary of sudden parabolic spikes. These are often unsustainable. Healthy growth is your friend. Don't neglect the liquidity pool size. A larger pool is generally a sign of more trust and stability. A tiny pool could mean the price is easily manipulated. Finally, a pinch of social media sentiment. Check Twitter, Reddit, and other platforms for mentions and growing communities. Please, take this with a massive grain of salt. Hype can be misleading. Remember, meme coins are incredibly risky. Always do your own research and only invest what you can afford to lose. This isn't financial advice. It's just a guide to help you navigate the wild world of meme coin hunting. Good luck, and trade safe.